If you've ever struggled to help a loved one up off the floor, you know how scary it can be. Maybe you've had that moment where you're trying to lift someone, your back's straining, and you're just praying that they don't fall again. That's exactly why I couldn't wait to unbox this VOCIC movable electric lift chair. It's model AX35. Right out of the box, I was shocked at how lightweight it is at just 34 pounds, yet it feels solid with its aluminum frame. You can tell it was built for both safety and maneuverability. And it even folds flat so you can store it behind a bed or in the bathroom to get it out of the way. Setup was super quick, no tools were needed, just 4 screws that lock into place with an Allen key that's provided. The rechargeable handheld controller snapped into place within seconds, and this is the safety harness or safety belt that velcros around somebody if they need it. The seat's adjustable from as low as 2.4 inches off the ground up to 19.7 inches in height. That means you can help someone off the ground if they're able to stand from a standard kitchen height chair. It's designed for users between 5'3" and 6'1" and supports up to 350 pounds safely. What I love most is these large 360-degree pivoting casters in the back. They make it effortless to move from room to room. I'm going to speed up the lifting process, but it is slow, controlled, and ultra smooth. Now that I'm at the upper level, 19.7 inches, you can see how easy it is to stand from this lift chair. I feel like VOCIC has thought of everything. There's a pocket behind the chair to place the hand controller, but there's also a hook that you can hook the hand controller and hang it from. One thing I didn't mention are the brakes. You can see those orange tabs on the larger casters in the back. Those tabs are braking systems so that if you're going to lift somebody, you would put on the brakes just to make it safer for them when they go to stand up. The braking system is super easy to use. You just flip it down to lock it and flip it up to unlock it. Now I'm just going to take you on a tour of some of the features and show you what this chair looks like up close. So you can see here the aluminum frame, you can see the orange braking system in the back. I can use my fingers or I can use my toe. These are the aluminum frame leg supports. There's handles in the back. Oh yeah, there's the bag. There's the hook that I had mentioned earlier to hang the rechargeable hand controller. But these little handles flip up to get out of the way. They flip down for better maneuverability. As we come around, you can see the armrests. They actually lock into place. You can unlock them and flip them up to get them out of the way if somebody's going to be doing a transfer of some kind. If we take a close look at the seat, you can see there are these Velcro flaps that cover the screws that hold the canvas seat in place. There's a cushion along the front bar just to make it more comfortable, and there's a little bit of give to the seat so that it doesn't feel like you're sitting on hard plastic. I honestly love the design. I think it's a modern looking chair. You've got the large plastic frame across the top, which makes it easy to hold on to and push. It does tilt back in space, so if you're going up a curb or a step, it's easy to do. And then once again, those back casters pivot 360 degrees, so you can pretty much maneuver this into any corner. I think VOCIC did an amazing job.